Hello friends, hello students, how are you? In today's episode, I am going to talk about slope-intercept form to find the equation of straight line. In my earlier video, I had given you the basic information about straight line. In today's video, we are going to focus ourselves to find equation of straight line by using the slope of the line and by using y-intercept of the line. This is x-axis, y-axis. And now let us draw a line. So we have drawn a line. This is origin. This is point A and point B. OA is called x-intercept and OB is called y-intercept of the line. In figure 1, x-intercept is negative, so A equals to negative, and y-intercept, let us say B, so B is positive. Y-intercept either denoted by small b or small c. Example 2, this is the line. Here x-intercept is positive and y-intercept is also positive. Now in the third example, here x-intercept is negative as well as the y-intercept is also negative because it is below the x-axis and left of y-axis. Therefore, x-intercept is negative as well as y-intercept is negative. And suppose we draw like this, then x-intercept is positive and y-intercept is negative. So in slope-intercept form, we have to pay attention that the given intercept is positive or negative. We have to decide first. As soon as the question is given to us, then first of all decide what is the sign of x-intercept and y-intercept. Of course, in slope-intercept form, we use only y-intercept. So we have the x-intercept and y-intercept. In general, x-intercept is denoted by A and y-intercept is denoted by either by letter small b or by small c. In this example, in this episode, I am going to use C as a symbol for y-intercept. So C equals to y-intercept of the line. And M be the slope of line. What is slope of line? I already discussed with you in my episode 1 and 2. So M is the slope of the line. Now, how to write down equation of the line? Equation of the line can be written as y equals to mx plus c. So here we are using slope of the line and we are using intercept of the line to write down the equation of the line. Therefore, this equation is called slope-intercept form. Let us understand this slope-intercept form with the help of some examples. Example 1, find equation of a line whose slope is 5 and y-intercept is 3. Solution. First of all, whenever the question is given, draw a rough diagram. So this line is having slope. Slope equals to slope of the line m equals to 5 and y-intercept 3. Now formula y equals to mx plus c, where m value is 5 and c value is 3. So equation of line y equals to mx plus c, 5x plus 3 is required equation of line. Example 2, find equation of line intersecting y-axis at 0, 4 and having slope equals to 3. Solution. First of all, let us draw the rough diagram. X-axis. Here is the y-axis and the line is cutting y-axis at 0, 4. So this is the point 0, 4 implies y-intercept of line c equals to 4 and the slope of the line m equals to 3. Now formula y equals to mx plus c. Y, we have the m value equals to 3. So 3x and c value 4. So y equals to 3x plus 4 is required equation of the line. Example 3, find equation of a line with inclination of 60 degrees and y-intercept equals to 2 units. Here inclination is given, theta equals to 60 degrees, but slope of line is not given. Slope of line is m equals to tan theta. Therefore, slope of line tan 60 degree equals to root 3 and y-intercept c equals to 2 units. Now formula is y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to root 3x and c value is 2. So y equals to root 3x plus 2 is required equation of straight line. Example 4, find equation of line if y-intercept is minus 3 units and slope equals to 1. Here c equals to minus 3 and m value equals to 1. Formula is y equals to mx plus c. Therefore y equals to 1x minus 3. So y equals to x minus 3. In this example, y-intercept is equals to minus 3, that is negative. So for both positive y-intercept and negative y-intercept, we can use slope intercept form. That's all in this video. In next video, I am going to talk about how to find out equation of straight line by using one point slope form. So keep on watching. Meet you again with next topic. Till then, wish you good luck. Before saying goodbye to you, I would like to request you like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you again. Wish you all the best.